Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to auto brightness on VIVO Y19s. Let's begin. So let's start with simply checking if you do have your auto brightness enabled. You can easily do that by simply expanding the control center, and then, well, you don't really have to do it once again. But you will see that we have this brightness bar at the bottom, and right next to it we have a little A. A stands for automatic, and in this case auto brightness. If it's grayed out, this means that auto brightness is not enabled, and if you want to have it enabled, you simply click it. And if we would lower like the brightness and then enable it, we will see that it will automatically bright up the phone, so it will be brighter and it works depending on your current whereabouts. Now, if it's not working or working faulty, if you think so, that it doesn't really work that well, I would simply advise you to just reboot your device, just like that. And the reason why you should do that is because auto brightness works using the camera lenses, like the little things that detects the point of light. I am sorry, not the point of light, the amount of light, the level of light that is around your phone, and based on that it will increase or decrease brightness. So these sensors might like break. It's completely understandable and it's expectable for them to break, and just like any other system in your phone, they can be restarted or rebooted, and by simply restarting the device you also restart all of these systems. So I do hope that now your auto brightness will work. There is also a chance that you have it enabled, but you're not like seeing the results of it because you have enabled different things in your settings. Now let me just simply wait for the loading screen. If we go to the settings, and in the settings we go into display and brightness, you will see that there are a couple of things. First of all, we have our adaptive brightness, but also we have, for example, eye protection, and eye protection might it restricts the blue light from your device, giving it like a little orange hue, but there is a chance that you might mistake it for auto brightness being worse or not working. So I would also just recommend you to check that if you have it enabled. Also, the color temperature adjustments might, for example, change how you perceive the brightness of your phone. But yeah, I do think that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.